This is one of those crossover meals from Europe, the UK, America. It's everything in here. It's a gratin, it's got beef, you've got red cabbage, you've got that sour cream, horseradish sauce. This is truly an international high-class meal. Hi everyone, welcome to Backyard Chef. I'm Rick. Today we're doing what I would class as a budget-friendly meal for a family. Okay, we've got here, this is sliced brisket, which I got in the supermarket actually, already sliced. Now you can use any cut of beef, sliced thinly, not a problem. Now there's about 450 grams here. Okay, so round it up to 500, not a problem. And we're going to make a creamy brisket and potato gratin. Now I know that sounds a bit crazy, it's not. It's a fantastic budget friendly meal and it freezes. Once it's cooked it freezes. However, I'm sure there's not going to be any left after serving it up. And we're going to go intercontinental a little bit. We're going to serve it with some pickles and we're probably going to do something like a horseradish sour cream sauce, something like that. This is very straightforward then. We've got the brisket already sliced, no work involved there. We have to slice up some onions and prep the potatoes and then we can crack on with cooking this brisket. So come on, let's show you how to do it. Right, we got some onions. I'm going to use 2 onions and we are going to thin slice. And we've got a little bit of garlic too. Now, you're thin slicing the onions because we're going to fry them off. So nice and steady, thin slice. Get to that end, turn it over. Done. In your bowl. And they are all thin sliced, look. So again, turn it over. Done. A little bit of garlic. I've got 3 cloves actually. We're just going to give that a little bit of a push down. And we are not going to mince it very much actually. You can if you so wish, but it doesn't really matter for this type of dish. That all depends on your taste. So let's have that. In with the onions. Now everybody bleats on about cook the onions 4 to 5 minutes, then cook the garlic. I'm going to chuck it all in as per usual. Potatoes. I've washed these and I've taken out the eyes. So if you see bits missing, that's what it is. We need to slice the potatoes because we're making a gratin. We're leaving the skins on this one. You don't have to take off. So again, we want these roughly the same size. Now it doesn't matter if they're not quite the same size. Come on. Chuck them in a bowl. Now don't stress if they're not quite the same size. And just do all your potatoes exactly the same. Potatoes. Okay, grab yourself a pan. In there, butter, a little bit of oil, and we're going to quickly stir fry the beef and take it out. Not looking for any colour as such, we're just looking to cook it off very quickly. And because it's so thin, it ain't going to take any time whatsoever. And we've got that lovely butter in there. Out it comes. There you go, how fabulous is that? Out it comes. Keep your pan on, butter, onions and garlic. A little bit of salt, help break those onions down. A little bit of pepper. Dried thyme. About a teaspoon. Stir in. Now the dried thyme is going to rehydrate in here with the onion and the butter mix. Give that a saute off. Cook that down. Now don't rush your onions, nice and steady. Cook out the rawness of the onion. Okay, that's good enough. We want those onions out of there and into a bowl. Onions, we got beef, we got potatoes, we got a tray, and we've got a suitable dish that will fit it all, hopefully. We want some butter in there. Butter out your dish, up the sides. And leave that butter in there. Potatoes. A layer of potatoes in the bottom. Just get a layer in there. Beef. Now, we need a layer of this, so nice and gently get it in the best you can. This is the great thing about having it all sliced already. It's going to fit. Onions. Come on, beef, onions, potato. We're going to have cream, we're going to have cheese. Oh, what about a cup of cream in there? Take some potatoes. Start layering it up. Come on, squash it in. Beef. Oh, we're already to the top. It's going to be overflowing. How sad. Onions. Cream. Put that extra beef back on there. Get that beef layer on top of those onions. Oh, fabulous. Okay, now line out with your potatoes. Just do it like this. That will do. A little bit of salt. A little bit of pepper. What we need to do now is cover that with some foil. That is then going to go in a preheated oven for about 40 minutes. And then we're going to bring it out. I'm going to chuck some cheese on and put it back in. So grab yourself some foil. Basically what we're trying to do is get all that to steam up inside there and cook all that potato. Now, it is going to run out. That's why it's on a tray. Don't worry about it. Of course it's going to run out. You know, the potatoes have got moisture in, they're going to cook with that cream. It's going to run. It's as simple as that. That's why it's on a tray. Protect the oven, save us from washing up. Okay, bob that straight in your oven. Set your time. About 45 minutes. Let it do its thing. Out it comes. Oh, that smells nice. Right, off with the tin foil. What we're looking at. Do you know, I think we're going to do another 10 minutes before we add the cheese. I'm not quite happy. Whoa, that's hot. Not quite happy with the potatoes on the top. So let's get that back in there. And we will do another 10 minutes. Let's see what happens. Okay, we've done another 10 minutes, that will do. Let's have that out of there. Be careful. Okay, now that's looking class. Right, we want to be going over there with some cheese. Of course we do. Cheese, potatoes, cream, beef. Okay, I'm going to bob that back in the oven now for 20 minutes, thereabouts. Okay, not hard and fast rule, we don't want to burn anything. We want that crispy and all those potatoes crispy on the top. So that goes back in there. So it's not hard and fast, you watch it. So we want about 20 minutes. Let it do its thing. Now while that's doing in there, let's knock up a quick sour cream horseradish sauce. So we want about a cup of sour cream. Now we want horseradish shop bought. We're not messing around. Okay, this particular brand is Waitrose. Now we want a good couple of tablespoons. So we're going to do 3. Now we want to put a little bit of a zing in there. So let's just have about a tablespoon of lemon juice. Get that in there. We're just going to give that a mix, and then we're going to chop up some green onions. Now you can use chives as well, that's up to you. Or sorry, you can use chives rather than green onions. I'm going to go with the green onion for this one. What I'll do now, it's the green onion tops. We're not bothered about the rest of the onion. Some nice little bits of green onion. And we're going to stir it through our sauce. Boom, in there. Little mix through. Perfect. Wow, that is amazing. Let's get the sourness from the cream in there. It's creamy, obviously. You got the sour cream. You got that horseradish coming through there, that flavour, and a little bit of sour from the lemon, freshening it up. That is absolutely superb. Let's turn that off and let's get this out. Oh, fantastic. Just look at that bubbling cauldron. Okay, we're just going to let that have about 8 minutes, somewhere around there, just to let it settle down, and some of that potato mixture inside is going to soak up some of that creaminess, and then we are plating up. That is something special. Wow. Now what happens with gratin? What happens with gratin is the potato soaks up the cream inside, so you get a lovely creamy mix. Right, we're going in here with our knife through this crusty potato top, and hopefully through the tender beef slices that we put in, because the beef now is tenderized up inside there, it's cooked properly. So we should be able to come all the way down. Oh, looky here. Oh, look at that on there. Oh, it's red hot. Oh, fabulous. Tuck that potato back in there. Look at that, nice crusty edge around there. That is fantastic. Get a little bit of red cabbage on there. Oh, come on. Just a little bit of that sauce there. And look at that. That is creamy brisket and potato gratin. You ain't seen nothing like that. Oh, come on, let's get dug in. Oh, it smells incredible. Oh, we're in, come on, in here. Oh, it's cheesy. We've got that really soft beef in there, look. Oh man, crispy top. We've got our sour cream horseradish sauce. That is restaurant quality right there. That is absolutely awesome. Not a word of a lie. That horseradish sauce is delicious. And we've got pickled red cabbage as well. Oh, I'm going to have to do this. It's a little bit warm actually in the middle of here. But not to worry. We've got our onions in there with our beef. This is one of those crossover meals from Europe, the UK, America. It's everything in here. It's a gratin, it's got beef, you've got red cabbage, you've got that sour cream horseradish sauce. This is truly an international high-class meal made from simple cut beef. Superb. If you like what we're doing, don't forget, share with your friends, tell everybody about this. This is actually fantastic. Really, 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 really good. Oh, just come on, look in here. Don't forget, big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, ring that bell. Catch you in the next video.